To delete a user on Ubuntu, what you'll need to do is, I'm logged in as a normal user right now, right, as my regular user Kurt, and you need to log in as root. So I'm going to go ahead and type in SU and then my root password. Once you're logged in as root, it becomes relatively easy. You're going to type in user del and then the user's name that you would like to delete. That user for me is going to be hello world is the name of my user. You do have the option to put a recursive R, so hyphen space hyphen R space, and this would delete the home directory and the mail spool of the user as well. I don't need that in this situation, so I'm going to leave this as is and go ahead and hit enter, and it should be gone. If you would want to check for the completion of this, you'd need to type in cut hyphen D semicolon hyphen F1 slash etc slash pass WD, and this should list out our users, and my hello world user, which would have been on the bottom there, is not present, so deletion successfully occurred.